My name is Mary Gear and I'm from Coleman, Michigan. When I go to Railway Family Center, I love to see Leah in the morning. She's always very bubbly, and Chris is there in the afternoon. And Doug is very faithful to make sure that everything is serviced and cleaned, so it's a wonderful place to go to. People really need to see the facility and know what they have there to offer, and then start taking advantage of it, because they're there to serve the community, and not enough people know about it. I spent 81 days in the hospital. I was completely paralyzed when I woke up in ICU. I had a collapsed lung, I had a paralyzed vocal cord, and many other issues. I was considered to be a quadriplegic for probably at least 2 months or so. But the Lord healed me, and I left there after 81 days with a 3-wheeled walker, and I continued some outpatient therapy for a while. I started doing physical therapy with AJ Mitta from the physical therapy rehab specialist, and I have really gained a lot of my abdomen muscles again, which has been a huge help, like in rolling over in bed, or just being able to stand up easier from when you're sitting. My arms are stronger, and I really enjoy being able to pick up things, carry them longer, further, and also being more stable on my feet when I walk. I'm able to walk at a much further distance than I was before. My endurance is much better, much stronger, and I just enjoy feeling healthier and stronger overall. Having therapy right there at the convenience for the community is just very beneficial. Keeping the community healthy and also offering the therapy there, it just works hand in hand.
Well, worthwhile for sure. One, we have been able to provide services that typically would have not been, or those guys would have to drive to Midland. Again, it was never a financial decision. It was always about what's good for the community, for what that community needs. And if an organization like the Midland Community Center can do it, why can't we partner with them and help them build on what they want to do with that community? So it's been an amazing relationship. Financially, still does not make sense, but we're still there and plan to be there until we can.
I have learned that I'm stronger than I thought I was, and I've also learned that more people are really stronger than they think they are. They're capable of doing more than they really think they would be able to.
To my amazement, all the adversities that she's been through, the attitude she carried through that, and that she still wants to be independent and be herself and not be reliant on people, which made my job almost a lot easier, because once you have that thought process, that personality, that drive to achieve. Physical therapists, I think, would love to have all their patients with that much drive and desire to kind of be independent.